Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Dredger vessels are specialized ships with equipment used to perform a specific task. Dredging means excavating sediments from the bottom of a waterway and placing those sediments elsewhere. This could be done to make an area of water more navigable for ships, to counteract erosion of beaches, to harvest shellfish, or for other reasons. As with any maritime job, working on a treasure vessel comes with risks, although these ships typically stay close to shore, or may even work in rivers, only they can still have accidents that lead to injuries and fatalities. The dredging equipment is large and powerful. Many accidents have been caused by malfunctioning or misused equipment. If you work on a dredger, know that you have rights in the event that you are injured on the job and that your employer is supposed to take all reasonable steps to prevent those injuries. The work of dredging. Dredging work is a hard work with long hours and requires skilled workers to operate complicated machinery. If anything goes wrong in this process, accidents can easily occur and people can and do get hurt. Dredges come in a variety of sizes and styles and are used for varied purposes. These purposes include building a new harbor, maintaining navigable waterways, reclaiming land or rebuilding beaches, preventing floods, harvesting natural resources, cleaning out trash or debris, and harvesting shellfish. All ships used for these purposes have in common that they dredge bottom sediments using a big equipment. A suction dredger is like a large vacuum that sucks up sediment and spits them out. There are several different styles and sizes of suction dredging equipment. Bucket dredger use a mechanical bucket to lift out sediments. These are powerful and can be used to clear out coral reefs for shipping channels. A water injection dredger injects a jet of water to blast sediment from the bottom of a waterway. A bed leveler is a dredge that uses a blade to level out bottom sediments. Fishing dredger use a chain link bucket or scoop to pick up clams, oyster, and other shellfish from the bottom sediments. And then dredger injuries. A dredger can be a dangerous place to work for all the same reasons that other ships are risky workplaces. If you work aboard a dredger, you are at risk of falling overboard, drowning, or hypothermia. You are at risk of being injured because of poor training of crew members or because of a lack of safety precautions, trainings, or equipment. You may be at risk of sustaining an injury because of fatigue caused by tough working conditions and long hours, like any ship's dredger could collide with another ship's or its structure, or capsize and lead to injuries and fatalities. Any of these accidents and injuries can occur aboard a dredger, especially if there is negligence involved. The risk posed by all ships is the dredging equipment itself. This equipment is large and powerful and can cause injuries and death when something goes wrong. Many dredges include a crane, which lifts the sediments up from the water. After being dredged, if the crane fails, the material it carries could fall onto dredger workers and cause serious injuries or even death. And then dredging equipment can also knock into the waters if it malfunctions or it's not being operated correctly. This can lead to a worker being injured. He or she may suffer bruises, broken bones, cuts, lost limb, or head or back injuries. A hit from equipment can also cause a worker to fall overboard, where the risk of drowning is very real. Dredging equipment can be operated safely and accidents may still happen. However, many accidents could have been prevented. Preventative measures include keeping equipment maintained, making sure it is in a good working order and does not need to be repaired, training all workers to be able to use it correctly, and ensuring that safety routines and equipment are up to date. Example of dredger accidents. In 2014, a dredger accident occurred on the Delaware River, injuring a 67-year-old worker. The accident occurred when the captain of the vessel fell over something on the dredger and fell into a cable, causing minor injuries. In an accident on the Hudson River in 2009, a dredger went over a dam and a crew member went into a water drowning. Other examples of accidents involving dredger have caused various injuries and death. In one accident, a worker lost a finger working on a stovepipe. Another case involved a worker who lost his leg when it got caught in a line. In other incidents, workers were killed because of falls overboard or overturned dredging vessel. Causes of death in these cases were drowning. Compensation for accidents, injuries, and fatalities. Working on a dredger is dangerous, but you are still entitled to all necessary safety precautions. As a dredger workers, you have the right to have been trained for your job and to work with other crew members who were trained. Your employer is responsible for ensuring the crew is trained in safety procedures and that all safety and dredging equipment is in a working order and well maintained. If any of these precautions have not been met, you could be looking at a case of negligence if you are injured. Whether negligence plays a role or not, there are laws to protect maritime workers like you and to ensure you get compensation to cover medical costs. Your lost wages and even pain and suffering in the terrible scenarios that you are killed while working on a dredger vessel. Your dependent loved ones also have right to compensation. In either case, a qualified and experienced maritime lawyer can help. A professional can find the right law to protect your rights to compensation and can help you file a claim if you feel your employer is not compensating you adequately. A lawyer can also help if you lost a loved one to this job. Okay guys, I think that's all the explanation that I can share to you. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you guys need information related to maritime topics, you are in the right channel. Why I said like that? Because in this channel we talk about it a lot. We provide information related to maritime topics a lot, and I know that this is very helpful for those who really need information related to maritime topics. Maybe they are maritime workers. And if you guys want us to talk about or discuss about the information that you need about maritime topic, you can just drop your comment below in the comment section guys, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. And then what if you have question, maybe when you watch this video or you watch my video with different title, some question that pop up in your mind and you really need answer of your question, you can also do the same thing. You can also drop your question in the comment section, and later when we have time, we have a chance, we have the answer, and we will answer your question too. And also don't forget to share this video to your friends, family, and your loved one. Maybe they need information about maritime topics, so by sharing this video it already help them to get through the problems. For example, maybe they need information about the Jones Act, about Longshore and Harbor Workers Compensation Act, about Death on a High Seas Act, about what's more, workers' compensation, or about what is that? I forget. Maintenance and cure, and about maritime lawyer in the region. So yeah, it's very helpful for those who really need information related to that. By sharing this video, you already help. You already let them know that in this channel we provide a lot of information related to maritime topics, which is very helpful for those who really need it. Yeah, I think that's all the information that I can share to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the way I delivered the explanation to you, and I hope you can take advantage from the video that I have shared. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye guys, see you in another video.